Hello, welcome back to WINFXTRADING YouTube channel, the only channel that has been optimized to make you rich trading the Forex synthetic market. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you something you have not heard of. If this is your first time of visiting this YouTube channel, do your best to subscribe and turn the bell notifications so you get notified each time I upload a new content. Try to like and refer this channel to your network so that YouTube pushes us to a higher level of audience. Okay. A lot of people are actually new to Forex trading and they don't know which broker is going to work, and a lot of people are already trading but they are using the broker that doesn't satisfy their needs. Okay, right here in this video I'm going to show you the right broker you're gonna use to trade the Forex market 247. The Forex market actually trade from Monday to Friday, but this broker I'm going to show you is going to allow you to trade the Forex market all day long. Like, you are going to trade the Forex market 247. Like, you are going to trade the Forex market all the time. There is no holiday, there is no fundamentals. You are not going to be affected by news, so you are going to trade seamlessly. You are going to trade stresslessly. There is no much stress here. Okay, so this is the essence of this video. I'm going to deeply show you what this broker is, and the link to join this broker is in the description of this video, and the video on how to create an account with this broker is also in the description of this video. And the name of the broker is 𝒕𝒐𝒕. Don't Google the name on Google, don't Google the name. Try to check down the description of the video and use the link. Also look at the link in this description, but you need to actually click the link direct. So you can see the link in this notepad, but you can actually click the link in the video description. Okay, the name of the broker is 𝒕𝒐𝒕, or the link label is 𝒕𝒐𝒕. Okay, so you can trade cents or less than unit currency to infinite amount. So you basically can trade 0.1 cent, you can trade 0.2 cents, you can trade you can trade cents, meaning fractions of dollars. Like you basically can trade $0.1, which is 10 cents. You can trade $0.5, which is 5 cents, 50 cents. I'm sorry. You can actually trade 5 cents, which is $0.05. Okay, I'm going to show you that this is real, and you are going to testify when you create an account with this broker, and you can flip cents, like 10 cents, 30 cents, 50 cents, 80 cents. You can flip it to heavy amount of dollars. Okay, all you need is to create an account with this broker, enroll for a mentorship so that you know how to get sniper entry. What you need is sniper entry. It's sniper entry that will help you to flip account, not just anyhow entry. Okay, but if you have been trading and you come across this video and you have been losing money, if you need sniper signals that you use to flip your account, you have to subscribe to our VIP signals so that you trade our sniper signals and flip your account in real time. Okay, so I'm gonna go deep to explain this, to read more, to read the document out, and then I'll go to show you the assets or the securities being marketed or being around on this broker. So you can trade cents or less than unit currency to infinite amounts, unlimited leverage. Okay, there is unlimited leverage. Okay, you trade 247. Okay, infinite risk reward. You see, asset like boom and crash, you basically can have an infinite risk reward. Okay, so you can see risk reward of 1:1000, 1:2000. It's possible. I'm telling you the truth. You can see. Okay, now I'm going to show you what I mean by this. Okay, this is cash 300 for instance. Okay, now a cash market, once it starts moving, let's say Okay, let me explain this. A crash market is a market that just goes straight to the point. It just moves in one direction unless it wants to spike, right? So this market will just move in one direction. So when you place trade, it does not fluctuate, it just moves in one direction. Okay, if you know how to do it very well. But if you don't know how to do it very well, if you trade the normal direction, the market is going to, you are going to lose money. Okay, so if you are new to boom and crash market, I have created a video course, millionaire boom and crash course, so that you can actually get the course and start trading. So you see, if you enter at a sniper into here, you are going to gain 190 pips, and basically you are risking nothing. Okay, now if you risk nothing, so nothing means zero, right? So if you have 190 divided by 0, so that is infinity, right? But what if we make it so close to 0, so that I can have 0.02? You see that the risk reward is 950. And what if we make it 0.05? The risk reward is 3,800, meaning that you basically can risk $10 and you'll be getting that $8,000, right? This is crazy. Okay, for facts, this is crazy. And you see, on calculation, it is actually realistic. Okay, this is not exaggeration, this is how it is. Okay, so what you need to do is to sign up today. Okay, you got to sign up. Right now, single-sided market. Okay, this is a single-sided market. They have single-sided market that move in one direction. Okay, so I don't know the reason why you should not start trading with this type of broker. So you have to start trading, but what you need is sophisticated knowledge. You need a complete knowledge, a smart knowledge that will help you to enter the market, so that you will not be having to order. The only thing that makes one lose is to order. So you have to start joining this broker and enroll for our course. We have boom and crash millionaire course, then we will have other Forex courses, like we have general Forex course. Okay, we'll have a special course for boom and crash, which is boom and crash millionaire course. Thank you. Keep coming to WINFX Trading. Keep subscribing. Keep doing the right thing. Try to, be consistent. Be proactive. If you're not consistent in making profit, enroll for our courses. Subscribe to our VIP group signals, and you can see a high level of massive profits in your portfolio.